Let me take an example. Example number 14. If I have fruit equals to apple and then print off fruit dot lower function, you will get this output in lowercase. Fruit is my variable here. This is the name of the variable. Its value is apple inside the quotes. All the characters of the apple are in uppercase. Now, by applying the lower function, I will have print of fruit dot lower function. After execution or after running the program, at the end you will get this output in lowercase. Everything is in lowercase, in small. From capital, it changes to small by applying the lower function. As I told you, whatever thing you have inside the quotes, everything will be in lowercase in the output by applying the lower function.